Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because I am talking about press-on nails. So this is one of my favorite subjects because I've been wearing press-ons for the last year and a half. I've tried every brand. I definitely have my favorites, and this video is for a collab with OPI and ImPress. What I absolutely love about this is they have 10 of their top selling OPI shades with no accent nails. I really don't like accent nails. I like to just have a solid set. And most press-ons have some crazy accent nails, and sometimes it takes up like 6 of the nail sizes in a kit, which for me eliminates 6 nails that I just know I'm not gonna wear automatically. So I love this collab so much for that. If you love accent nails, great. Try Dashing Diva or any of the other ImPress nails, but I'm glad they made it just a really neutral set for all the people that don't love accent nails. So these retail for $9.99. They come with 30 nails in a set. They're super easy to apply. It's the peel and press method. So you don't have to glue, which I actually don't mind glue nails. I love static nails or kiss glue on. So I will link my static nail video up here if you want to try a glue on nail. I just find that they last a little bit longer and they're more sturdy. But I started my at-home nail journey with press-ons, specifically Dashing Diva, so I am really excited to try these. In this video, I'm gonna just show you how to apply these nails. They're so easy. I'm gonna share all of my tips and tricks and give you my final review at the end. I'm gonna be honest with you, I haven't had the best luck with ImPress press-ons. I find that the nail sizes aren't wide enough for me, whereas Dashing Diva nails are. And which is weird because Kiss glue-on nails are amazing, and like their size range is so good and so aesthetic. But for some reason with the ImPress press-ons, they're not that great. And then they also, I find that the adhesive isn't that strong, where usually Dashing Diva will last at least 7 days on me, usually like I'd say 10 days. I've had multiple ImPress nail sets where they only last me for like 1 day and nails start popping off. So I'm a little hesitant about ImPress nails. Maybe these will prove me wrong. I love the color. I am testing color Bubble Bath, and I just think it's the most beautiful, perfect, versatile nail. So let's get into the application, and then at the end, I will give you my final review on how long they lasted and what I think. This is everything I'll be using today to apply these nails. First step to making your nails last their absolute longest and giving them the best chance of survival is removing your cuticles and just prepping your nails properly. I have tried so many cuticle removers, and this one is the best, hands down. So it's easy to use. It has a no drip formula, so you apply it with that brush. It looks like nail polish, but it is cuticle remover, and it just works so easily. So you leave it for 15 to 30 seconds. But I like this one because it eliminates cuticle buildup with gentle exfoliation, and it also moisturizes your cuticles, so it just makes them look way better. I also find that if I use this after I've used a nail polish that dyed my nails yellow, this helps get rid of that yellow tint. So what you do is you apply it to each nail, leave it for 15 to 30 seconds, grab your cuticle pusher and push them back. And just so you know, every single nail kit I've ever bought, whether it's from Dollar General, this one that we're using today, or Static Nails, they all come with a wood cuticle pusher stick. So you really don't need your own. But this one, I like how it's rounded to my nail. If you look closely, you can see all of that buildup coming off. So that is the product, but it's also some of the gunk on my nail. So it's just so satisfying to use this cuticle remover, and I highly recommend it. Next, grab your acetone and a cotton pad and wipe off all of the cuticle remover, and then wash your hands with soap. Press-on nail sets come with this little prep pad, and I'll show you how to use that in a little bit. But before I get started with that, I like to find my nail match. It's easiest to just dump the nails out and try to find your perfect match. The way that you find a match is if it's too small, you'll see the end of your nail and it's going to be annoying for you. And if it's too big, it'll put too much pressure on the sides of your nails, and that will also be uncomfortable. So you want to find the one that really fills your nail bed as much as possible. So you can see this one's too small. And then just keep going until you find a match for every one of your nails. Once you have all of your nails, you grab your prep pad and wipe it across every single one of your nails. Push it into the cuticles and really rub, and then wait for your nails to dry completely before you move on to the next step. All right, let's get into the application. So always start with your pinkies because you use your thumbs and your pointer fingers so much to put the nails on that you just want to do them last. And press-ons are really easy to do because you can place them on your finger, and before you lock them into place, you can make sure that it's lined up perfectly exactly where you want it. Glue-ons definitely aren't as easy because you put them on and you got to like get that placement, but with these you can kind of move them around before you press them down. So apply it, push it all the way back into your cuticle and press it down. Hold it for like 10 seconds. The longer the better. And see how I'm pushing and moving my finger around? That's just really trying to adhere the adhesive as much as you possibly can. And then you just repeat on all of your nails and finish with your thumbs. All right, so here they are. I love this color. It's so pretty. But if you notice that there is that little tab at the end of each nail, let me try to zoom in here for you. Oh, it's hard to zoom. So you want to file that off because it is a little bit scratchy and it will just drive you nuts. You can kind of see it there. Sorry guys, it's a little blurry. There you go. All right, so grab your nail file. You don't have to have your own. I like this one. It was super cheap and it's got a bigger grit, so it just is faster. But these nail sets do come with a nail file. You could totally use that, it's fine. I like to do the sides of the nail and the tip to shorten them and kind of smooth them out and make them a little bit skinnier. And then next, I actually have another nail file that I like to use. It's a glass nail file, and it just makes the edges really smooth and soft, so they're super refined and they look amazing. Wow, I love this color. This is the perfect pinky nude. Look at that. So you can see I definitely shaped them quite a bit, but you don't have to. It's totally up to you. One more thing, do not get your hands wet for at least 1 hour after you apply these. Okay, as promised, I told you I would check in when the nails started lifting or falling off. So I applied them on Wednesday. Today is Friday and they're starting to lift. So they lasted for 2 nights, which I guess 1.5 nights because it really didn't last long today. But my thumb, when I say lift, this is what I mean. So you can see how I'm just pushing on it and look at how it's lifting. And most of the nails on this hand are doing that. Another thing that will happen is you can slide the nail away from the cuticle. Can you see that? That's when you know the adhesive it has weakened and the nails are gonna start coming off or start getting stuck in your hair or just be really annoying. So I hate to say it, but these nails just aren't that good. I feel like if you need them for a quick application before an event, like same day, these would be good for you, but I can't get 2 uses out of them because most of the nails are too small and they start falling off after a few days. That's not a good nail to me. So Dashing Diva lasts way longer if you're looking for a good press on. I'll link that video again up here and I'll put it in the bio because they really are the best press-ons out there. And then if you're wanting to try glue-on, I love the Kiss glue-on and I love the static nail glue-on. I have a video of static nails and Kiss, they're just a less expensive option. They don't have as many colors and you do have to shape them, whereas the static nails come pre-shaped. So if you don't really trust your shaping skills, maybe just go for static nails. I have a $5 off coupon for static nails that I will also link below because they're expensive. They're like $14 to $16, whereas Kiss, I wanna say is like 5 to 10. I don't even know, it's been so long since I bought Kiss, but Kiss has like 3 colors, so that's, to me, it's just not enough variety. But I have friends that wear the same color every day and they're totally happy with it. So whatever floats your boat. I also tried a brush on glue from Dollar General. It's Kiss brand, but it's from Dollar General. It's like very specific. The packaging looks super cheap. It's amazing. That glue is probably as good as, if not better than, static nail glue. So some options for you instead of these. I'm so disappointed in these. I do think that there is a static nail color that's very similar, so I will link the color name below as well if you love this color, but skip them. So thanks for watching. I'm always experimenting and trying new things. If you love videos like this, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.